Good afternoon, it's me, Spiller the IT Headhunter again. Greetings from Budapest, from the bank of the Danube, from the headquarters of KBC Global Services Hungary. I've made this short clip for you because right now I'm looking for IT experts for KBC Global Services that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We are an international team of Belgian and Hungarian colleagues, and at the moment we are hiring new members for the Hungarian part of the team. In this short clip, I'm going to talk about the company, the team, the job specification, the package, the requirements, and the selection process as well. Well, the IT expert that I'm looking for right now is a DevOps cloud engineer who is passionate about big data and cloud engineering. I'm sorry, I will have to use a script because the job description is quite long. So first of all, some words about the team. So our data and services train is building and hosting a big data platform. Currently on-prem with a Hadoop cluster, but we aim to migrate this into Amazon Web Services into the cloud. We need you to capture the business requirements and translate them into a coherent design, from functional requirements doing a technical design and implementation, ensuring all pieces fit into each other over the different products in our catalog. The data engineering team develops frameworks and services that can be used by the data engineering community and data scientists. We help design a big data cloud platform and assist in making policies, standards and best practices. And we also guarantee that the platform is usable, secure, stable and manageable. And as for the job and your responsibilities, you will closely work together with the stakeholders to capture their functional requirements and describe the right objectives. So with the system architect and the team experts on the technical design and implementation, making sure that the solution is coherent and accepted by different parties. With the product owner, you stay aligned on the vision and strategy. Okay, and let me share some information about the requirements as well. So as for the requirements, we are looking for an ideal candidate who has a strong cloud computing background with Amazon, willingness to learn new technologies, services and concepts, knowledge of the following services: Kubernetes, AWS Lambda, data management tooling, AWS S3, data access control, Apache Spark, AWS CI/CD tooling, Terraform, Apache Airflow, Cognito and Python programming. And of course you should follow up on market evolutions, suggest with technologies and services we should research and develop. You act as a so-called sounding board for architects and platform owners. Influence the roadmap and strategy of the platform within the organization is also part of the job. You challenge the previous decisions. You use your analytical mindset to select and apply the right technological service to solve problems, decompose complex problems in your design and move on to simple, straightforward implementations. You are expected to work in a high degree of autonomy. Self-direction and self-reflection are vital skills to have. The engineering is done in a team using services from other teams, so collaboration is key. This is a technical job that requires substantial expertise in software development and programming such as Java, Python, optionally Scala. And now let me share some information with you about the package. So what we offer here is a competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses, Medicover health package, company phone with mobile internet and private use, and you can have special employee discount on banking services. And as for KBC, this is a stable environment with career opportunities, learning opportunities, and different training courses and training programs. This is an English-speaking working environment with some occasional business trips to Belgium. We have flexible working hours, which means there is no check-in and no check-out, and no one's gonna check your timesheet either. But we have very active teamwork with 2 office days a week. And we also have a very active community life with different events such as dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And of course we have a company restaurant with a view over the Danube, which is really beautiful. And if you come by bicycle, for example, then you can use the bicycle storage and the showers as well. As for the selection process, the first step is a pre-screening call with me. The second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Master and the team members. And the third one is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, then send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. So thanks for your attention. Thank you very much for your positive reactions and feedbacks, and thanks for resharing my previous clips too. And keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram, and on WordPress, where I have a blog. Plus the voice of these clips are available in podcast format on Spotify Anchor. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye. Bye bye.